Hey, what's going on, fellow Homo sapiens? Here is a rusty blackbird. They nest throughout Canada and Alaska and parts of Maine and other New England states in the boreal forest. They winter in eastern North America. They usually forage in marshy areas with shallow water. They usually flip leaves and search through submerged aquatic plants like you see here. I can't wait to share more species of birds with everyone. It's truly exciting. Alright, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a single species. See you next time.